So I bought these clutch lever that are adjustable in 6 different stands. So you got the clutch safety switch, the brake also adjustable, nicely machined from China. Let's see. See, this looks like about the right size. Should fit just like that. So the first thing we'll do is remove this bolt here. It's got a lock nut on the other side. It's just 1-pin connection. Remove this connection, slide in the other one, reconnect it. Should do it. Same on the other side. So this is the before lock, original. We'll change the grips later on as well. It's alright. It's just gonna look a lot better in red, isn't it? So what we do first is put our number 4 hex screw in there. Get our number 10 normal wrench on the other side, and let's release it. Now it's off. This one came out smoothly. Let's now put the new one in. Okay, this one, the slot is correct, but there seems to be something missing here to actually push the clutch in. Let's have a look at the original lever. Something missing here. I guess we'll have to pop this little bit out here too and put it on the new lever. So to remove the plunger, see, it didn't go far enough to slide the plunger out of the socket. We're going to do some WD-40 on both sides. What is this bolt? Put this bolt through, you know, it catches on the copper, no idea what you call it, this copper bit. Put this on the other side so the copper can slide through here. Make sure it's big enough, up, and then tighten it together with the bolt on the other side, and it should just pop out. Okay, so the next thing I'm encountering with this China lever is that the original plunger, I call this, does not fit in here. I tried W40 oil, it just doesn't fit, or it's too tight and just doesn't even, you know, turn smoothly around in here. So what I'm going to do now is, like with this Dremel, fits perfectly. Hopefully just like have the tiniest bit of and enlarge this hole so the plunger will fit in smoothly and turn smoothly. So let's hope that works. So I've dremeled the paint off. I'm gonna clean it up a bit with some W40 and hopefully that will fit the plunger smoothly. I scratched the paint a little bit there, that's a shame. Yeah, nothing to do about that anymore now. Perfect fit now. Slides in easily, turns easy, well, easy enough. Yeah, time to fit. Okay, let's see what this will do. Fit this. Yeah. Seems all good. Alright. Plunger fits there. Let's put the bolt in. Okay, that fits smoothly. Locked the nut. Bolt's in position. Need to give it a little clean though. Clutch works perfectly. Adjustable all the way from 1, very close. Not sure if this will even fully get it. All the way up to 6, a lot further from. Yeah, feels a lot better than the standard long clutch lever. All right, I think for me probably 4. Feels like maybe 5. Feels like good setting to be. I'll adjust it the first drive and see what feels good for me. Yeah, let's go over to the brake side now. Same process. Remove the bolt from the top, not on the bottom side. Remove the plunger thingy, and yeah, let's try that one. So remove the nut at the bottom, and screwing this bolt till it's all the way loose. And you can kind of pull it out and just remove the brake lever. Yeah, I have to do the same process here to remove the plunger. Let's go. So the copper ring just really fell out basically. Didn't have to mess much with it. You actually almost press it out. The plunger on this side actually fits just like that. So no drumming here. So ready to fit straight away. Yeah, easy fix. Adjustable, so number 6 is quite far from your hand. Put it all the way to number 1. It's pretty close. Depends what feel comfortable for you. I think I'll start off with 4. Have a little drive and see. Might put it up like 1 or 2 down. We'll see on the drive. So this is the result. Instead of the original black handles, nice red handles, nicely machined. It's a little bit shorter, but looks a lot better, and probably will drive a lot better as well. Yeah. Let's find out. So the next what we'll do is change the handle grips, put a new handlebar protector on, put some wheel protectors on, and some red reel striping to give it a nice finished look.